Next, we're talking AI, specifically what artificial intelligence could mean for your education. North Carolina recently became the fourth state to create official guidelines for using AI in schools. The guidebook says teachers can use AI to save time, helping with things like automating administrative tasks so they can focus more on actually teaching. And students, well, they can use AI tools to help them overcome certain hurdles, like voice to text, for example, could help some students who may face challenges while typing or writing. And translation tools could help some students who are still working to break down language barriers. North Carolina's main point of emphasis was that they feel it's important to incorporate AI in the classroom, but it's just as important to do so responsibly.
To make sure our students are able to leverage the value of artificial intelligence while protecting from temptations, cheating, and doing something they shouldn't be doing academically. We are charged with preparing our students for the world that they'll enter as they leave our school system. We have to make sure they're ready.